If you're a homeowner looking to enhance your property by adding a patio, walkway, or driveway, you may have found yourself asking, pavers or stamped concrete, which is best? While both can be functional additions to your outdoor space and seem to provide a similar overall feel, when looking a little closer, the differences start to add up. While seemingly simple solutions such as stamped concrete at first seem appealing, you will likely find that they don't quite match up to what paver options have to offer. And here's why. Reason 1: variety. When it comes to pavers, there is no shortage of options. You can pick up from a large selection with varying sizes, shapes, thicknesses, textures, patterns, and colors. The possibilities are endless. As for stamped concrete, guess what? It's gray. Sure, color and texture can be added to the surface, but the process needs to be done professionally and requires costly maintenance. And since the color is only surface deep, without routine upkeep, it will eventually fade. Reason 2: installation. While pavers may seem difficult at first, they can actually be quite do-it-yourself friendly. Installing pavers doesn't require a lot of additional tools or experience, which makes the job much more approachable for first-timers. Pavers can take some time in planning, but the end result is well worth the effort. For stamped concrete, it's another story. Beginners beware. With an advanced curing process and high cost of necessary equipment, a stamped concrete project will likely require help from a paid professional. Additionally, small mistakes can have drastic consequences. If you aren't careful, you may end up having to spend to fix problems that come along with poor installation, rather than getting to enjoy your new patio. Reason 3: durability. In terms of crack resistance, in most cases, pavers are much stronger than poured concrete. Because paver projects consist of individual units, the natural separation between each laid block helps to prevent cracking. With poured concrete, that's not always the case. Unlike with pavers, large slabs aren't able to move or adapt to natural shifts in the earth, and as a result, they crack. And while adding relief cuts to larger slabs can help to prevent this problem, they can also break up the visual illusion given by the stamp. Additionally, when dealing with damage, it's much easier to replace a simple paver than an entire slab of concrete. Reason 4: cost. We're not going to lie to you here. The upfront cost is dependent on a couple of factors: the size of your project, the type of paver or concrete mix you use, and of course, the cost of labor. Hiring a contractor to do your patio for you is like hiring Picasso to paint for you. You're hiring them for their talent and expertise. While with a paver patio, paying for help from a professional can be an investment, you can also easily save money on projects within your experience level. Beyond this, it's important to consider the cost of future upkeep. When your stamped concrete fades, chips, or cracks, which is inevitable, and if installed wrong, it could start happening in less than a year, repairing it can get costly. In order to keep your stamped concrete looking nice, you will likely end up paying for professional maintenance every few years. Alternatively, pavers hold their color over time, and because no fading means no refinishing, you can rest easy knowing that your paver project is likely to hold up for years to come and will save you money in the long term. So, before you start your next project, decide to do it right the first time. Invest in your space and try creating with pavers. To learn more, visit our website mmconcrete.com. We have the tools to take you from start to finish on your next project. From the inspiration phase to estimating your project with our Design and Buy landscaping program, we have you covered. Thanks for watching. We hope to see you soon.